All right, let me get my mind out of the gutter. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from my title, guys, I'm so excited about this one. We are unboxing two $15 subscription box. We are unboxing the Glitz Glam box, and as you guys know, I love this subscription. And we are unboxing the Macy's beauty box. So I loved this subscription. It is definitely worth the $15. And then because of COVID, I believe it was in like March or April, they stopped doing subscription boxes. And you got an email stating that they're no longer going to do the Macy's beauty box. And I was a little bit upset, like disappointed, because I really liked it. So when I got an email saying that they were starting it back up again, I was definitely excited. So if you want to see, are these two subscriptions worth the $15? And is this still worth the $15 now that they brought it back? So if you want to see what I got inside, then keep on watching. All right, so let's start with the Glitz Glam box. I'm looking for my cutter. I can't find my orange one, so I do have this one. So this is $15 a month. Well, both of them are. And this is by two sisters, and they are from New Jersey. And I'm from New Jersey, so I'm very biased with this subscription. This is also Black owned, just in case you were wondering. And I really do like this box. Now, this may not be for everybody if you don't wear lashes or like glitter. I don't wear lashes either, but my daughter does, and I give them to her so it doesn't go to waste. But I really definitely think this is worth the money. All right. Make sure I got everything. All right, so that is everything in the box. So you get a card and it says spooky sale. It said head to Glitz Glam box. Use code SPOOKY for free shipping and single items. And then on the back, the theme for this month is Gothic Glamour. And it tells you what everything is and it gives you prices. So I do enjoy that. And then everything is packaged so nice. It's usually packaged in this white tissue paper with glitter. But I guess for October, they did the black. And I haven't got anything broken in here. So that is good. All right. So the first thing is, like I said, you always get lashes. And this is in the style Lucky Star. And this is from their brand, Glitz Glam box. It says never basic lashes. All right, let's see how much this puppy is. Okay, so $12. Let me open it up to show you. You also can let them know if you don't like dramatic lashes, if you like more natural. And they do cater for what you like, and I do like that as well. So that's what it looks like. Very pretty. This is definitely up my daughter's alley. If I can find a picture of my daughter wearing lashes, I will put it right there. All right, so we have lashes. The next thing we got is this. What the heck is this? What you be? Cosmetic loose glitter. Okay, so I guess it's inside this, like a skull. All right, let's see what this says. Sugar Skull Glitter. This is $6.99 and is from Glitz Glam box as well. All right, let's open her up and see. All right, so I don't know. Let's turn you down a little bit. So it's in like a little skull, if you can see. And how do you open it? I guess the head. Okay, and this is like, it's like a white glitter. It has like pink and, oh, it's spilling everywhere. Let me see if I can put a little bit on my finger. Can you guys see? It's like, has different like pink and gold and purple. Very, very pretty. So let's put this back on so I don't make a mess. I will definitely wear this, like, you know, with some glitter glue and put it right on top. It'll definitely bring out an eye look. All right, so I like that, and it's so cute. All right, we have two more things. All right, so then we have this lipstick set. This is a Luxury Queen lipstick. This is $10, and it's a nude lipstick, I think, right? What does this say? Let's read. It says creamy nude lipstick. Variations are number 3 and 5 in stunning. Then you have show stopping and kiss worthy. What do I have? I have number 3. I don't know. Let's just open her up and see. I don't know if I showed you the box right there. Oh! All right, let me get my mind out of the gutter. Okay, so this is like weird shaped, but you know, Halloween. All right. Okay, so we have that. Very pretty. I mean, the color is really, really pretty. And it's definitely a matte lipstick. So let's swatch. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's definitely right up my aisle. Aisle? No, right up my alley. That's really, really pretty. All right. I am definitely happy to get this. All right, let's put that back. And last but not least is this thingy. What is this? This is a Goth brush set. Ooh, from Doe Color Brushes, $20. This is a 10-piece eye brush set. Okay, I'm definitely excited to see that. I love the fact that it comes themed every month. So you have 10 brushes, and let's just take one out. And these have like skulls on it and stuff. It's very cute, very pretty. And there's like a packing brush, very cute. Then we have like a blending brush here. Oh, this is exactly how I like it. It's like soft and hard. Like it's not too hard or not too soft, you know? And yeah, so you have like a few different ones. So I love that too. And I do like these brushes. I definitely think they're cute. All right, so let's recap everything that we got for the month of October. So you have a whole eye brush set. So that is good. We have a lipstick. That shape just kills me. So we have that lipstick, which is very pretty. I mean, the lipstick is really pretty. We have this glitter here, and I think it's so cute in the skull. And then we have these lashes. Yeah, all that for $15. Like I said, I definitely think it's worth the $15. All right, let me know down below what you think, and let's get to our Macy's beauty box. Alrighty, so that's what the box looks like. Let me cut her open. I'm really excited about this because I really do like this subscription. I just hope it is as good as what it used to be, you know? We shall say. All right, so like always when you open it up, what am I dropping? Hold the phone. My little lipstick. This is from Milk Makeup, my lip scrub. Okay. So something in here has like a scent, like perfume scent. All right. So let's put that over there. So you always get a brochure, and it always tells you what like the full-size items would be. And again, you do get a coupon. Sometimes you get $10 off. This month you get $5 off. So it's kind of like you're really only paying $10 for. All right, and so I do, like I said, like about this because it tells you everything about each product and then gives you prices for what the full-size items will be. All right, so we have a makeup bag, and you usually get a makeup bag usually towards the end of when we were getting them. For some reason, we weren't getting makeup bags anymore. All right, and this smells like a plasticky smell, but not too bad. All right, so let me make it big for you. All right, so that's what it looks like. Very pretty. It's like vinyl, you know. I like these type of makeup bags because if you spill makeup or something on it, you can wipe it right off. And this is from Jo Malone. And then inside, again, it has that, you know, you could just wipe it right off. So I do like that if you have foundation or something like that. I'll definitely use this. It looks like this month, so this is a $90 value. You paid $15, and everything in here is Jo Malone or Malone London. All right, so it's curated with that brand. All right, so then we have this puppy. Is this a ooh, we have a little candle. I love. Oh, this is what I smelled. Remember I told you something in here smelled like a candle smell? Oh, that smells delicious. Ew. Okay, let's read up on this puppy. So this is a nectarine blossom and honey mini candle. Full size would be $69. Holy cow. It says this candle will fill your home with the scent of blooming flowers. Oh, God, that smells amazing. All right, so far, I'm really loving this month. Then we have this, and it always is wrapped in this pink tissue paper. Okay. So the next thing we got is, my God, the print is so small, I can't even read it. Okay, this looks like it says body and hand wash. And this is definitely enough for you to try to see if you like it. Can I open it? Yeah, let's see. Ooh, that smells good. And that has like a safety seal on it, and I can smell it. I don't want to take it off over that. Oh, that smells delicious. That smells really good. Like, I would probably purchase this. That's how good it smells. All right, let me just read up on that and see what it says. So this is a lime, basil, and mandarin body and hand wash. Full size will be $44. I don't know then if I would purchase this, but it smells amazing. It really does smell good. All right, this is exciting. All right, then we have, what is that? Peony and blush. I can't read. It's a cologne. So let's see what this says. This is, where are you at? Okay. Peony and blush suede cologne. Has this floral blend is classically feminine. Notes are red apple and jasmine. And, hold on. Hold the phone. Let me get my glasses on. Full size. $142. Wow. Well, I am so happy I get to smell what this is, because I don't think I could never afford the full size if I like it. That does smell good. It's kind of musky though. Did I get the right one? Am I reading the right one? Peony and blush. Yeah. Okay, now that it's like soaking in, okay, it smells a lot better. When you first sprayed, I was like, but it does smell. Oh, that does smell good now. All right, and then we have another one. Maybe this is a guy's scent here. So this is, let's read up on it, because like I said, the print is so small. All right, so this is English Pear and Freesia Cologne. It says the scent to wear with, let's see, what does it say? On cooler days. It's amber and peachly. Notes are relaxing edition. Full size, $142. All right, I'm kind of scared. Let me spray this one over here. That one smells good, but I like the other one better. But for me, because of COVID, I don't really go anywhere. This will last me for a while, you know, because you only need just that little bit, you know, because it's such a strong smell. All right, we have two more things. Then we have, what is this? A body cream. Ew. All right, this says wood sage and sea salt body cream. I'm scared to see how much a full size is. $86. Holy crap. Okay. So it's definitely filled up, which I do like that. I can't really smell anything because I smell that perfume. So it's not overpowering, which is good. Let me see how thick it is. Let's see. For body creams, I like thicker, you know. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. It's not too watery. That's good. Ooh, I like that. All right. This, because we only have a little bit, I'd probably put these like on my elbows. This is like a clean smell. I like that. I like that a lot. It says, thanks to the rich formula and energizing scent, $86. Okay. And last but not least, boy, we have a lot of like perfumes. This is a blackberry and bay cologne. So I'm not going to spray that one because already. And let's see about this. All right, if this was full size, this is $142. And it says berries and wood combine to, let's see. Does it say? No, it just says hand-picked blackberries. I wonder why, like, you have a little sample of this if it's $142 and then you have, these are bigger. I don't know. I wish there wasn't so many like colognes, you know, it was something else, but I think this is a really good box for $15 for coming back. All right, so let's recap everything that we got. So we have this candle, and this will last you a while. God, that smells so good. So we got the candle. We got these colognes here. We have a body cream. We have a body wash. And then we have this little sample size. And then the makeup bag. This is why, like I said, I love Macy's. I will leave the link down below. It's not an affiliate link. It's not even a referral link. I will leave it down below if you want to check it out. And yeah, that's everything. Let me know what you think of Macy's. Did you used to get Macy's? Did you not? Are you thinking about getting Macy's? Do you think it's worth the $15? Also, let me know what you think is better. Do you like the Macy's or do you like the Glitz Glam? Usually for Macy's, it's not all one theme. Usually you get a little bit of everything, you know. All right, so that is everything. Please give this video a like. It really does help me out. So if you like me, then give this a like. If you like unboxing, subscription boxes, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell and make sure that you double tap it and it is on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. I do have a giveaway going on. I will leave it down below. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, I sprayed too much perfume. Woo!